What is tracing? Trace file or trace, or dump, is a file that Oracle database creates to help you diagnose and resolve. The resulting trace files can be read in their raw state or translated using the TRACEONLY utility. Trace file contains performance and resource utilization data, SQL activity, such as SQL parse, execute, and fetch statistics, and wait statistics. The SQL trace facility provides performance information on individual SQL statements. It generates the following statistics for each statement: parse, execute, and fetch counts, CPU and elapsed times, physical reads and logical reads, number of rows processed, misses on the library cache, username under which each parse occurred, each commit and rollback. Before enabling the SQL trace facility, following parameters should be set appropriately. Timed_statistics should be set to true. Max_dump_file_size should be set to unlimited. Statistics_level should be set to all. Enabling SQL_trace. SQL trace facility can be enabled at session or for the instance. Enabling the SQL trace at current session. Enabling the SQL trace for a different user session. Enabling the SQL trace for an instance. Methods to enable trace. The following methods have been available for several versions: AUTOTRACE, SQL_trace, 10,046 trace event, tracing using DBMS_monitor/DBMS_session, ORADEBUG, tracing through AUTOTRACE. The AUTOTRACE command is used to view the execution plan and some useful statistics for a SQL statement within a SQL * session as: 1. Set AUTOTRACE on. 2. Set AUTOTRACE TRACEONLY. 3. Set AUTOTRACE TRACEONLY explain. SQL select * from tab. Tracing through SQL_trace. 1. Alter system set SQL_trace equals true/false at the instance level. 2. Alter session set SQL_trace equals true/false at session level. 3. Exec DBMS_session.set_SQL_trace SQL_trace equals true/false from procedure call. For execute DBMS_system.set_SQL_trace_in_session SID serial hashtag true/false for any other connected session. SQL trace can be initiated for an individual SQL statement by substituting the required SQL_ID into the following statement: SQL trace 10046. Alter system set events SQL_trace SQL and in SQL_ID bind equals true, wait equals true. SQL 10053. SQL alter sessions set events trace rdbms.SQL_optimizer *SQL_ID. Tracing through 10,046 trace events. Event 10046 is the standard method of gathering extended SQL_trace information for Oracle sessions. Unlike the 10046 event, which is more easily read after processing through the TRACEONLY utility, the 10,053 trace file needs no additional processing. System-wide tracing can be enabled as follows. 1. Alter system set events 10,046 trace name context forever level 12. 2. Alter system set events 10,046 trace name context off. Session level racing can be enabled as follows. 1. Alter session set events 10,046 trace name context forever, level 1 basic trace. 2. Alter session set events 10,046 trace name context forever, level 8, waits, trace. 3. Alter session set events 10,046 trace name context forever level 12, binds and waits, trace. 4. Alter session set events 10,046 trace name context off, switch off the trace. Where? Level 1, standard SQL trace. Level 4, includes bind variables. Level 16, stat lines are written to the trace file for each execution, equivalent to plan_stat equals all_executions. Level 32, never write row source statistics, stat lines, to the trace file, equivalent to plan_stat equals never. Level 64, row source statistics, stat lines, are written to the trace file for every minute of DB time consumed by the SQL statement. Tracing through DBMS_monitor. DBMS_monitor, this package allows us to interact and control the tracing and statistics gathering of sessions through a PL/SQL interface. Tracing can be enabled based on a specified client identifier or a hierarchical combination of service name, module name, and action name. 1. Exec DBMS_monitor.session_trace_enable, session_ID equals X, serial_number equals Y, weights equals, true or false, binds equals, true or false. 2. Exec DBMS_monitor.session_trace_disable, session_ID equals X, serial_number equals Y. 3. Execute DBMS_monitor.client_ID_trace_enable, client_ID equals client_ID, weights equals, true or false, binds equals, true or false. 4. Execute DBMS_monitor.client_ID_trace_disable, client_ID equals client_ID. 5. Enable tracing for client_identifier with weight information but no bind information. 6. Execute DBMS_monitor.client_ID_trace_enable, Johnny 127:0.0.2, true false. Enable tracing for servID_name HR, but only for the add_employee module and include weight and bind information. 7. Execute items_serve_mod_act_trace_enable, HR, add_employee DBMS_monitor.all_actions, true, null. Enable tracing for session ID 123 and include weight and bind information. 8. Execute DBMS_monitor.session_trace_enable, 123,454, true. Trace my current session. 9. Execute DBMS_monitor.session_trace_enable, null, true. Tracing through ORADEBUG. ORADEBUG is excellent utility to trace a process after it has started. If trace from a running session is required, then ORADEBUG can be used to attach to the session and initiate 10,046 tracing. Connect/as SYSTEM. Select p.pid, p.spid, s.sid from v$process p $session s where s.pattern equals p.address and s.sit equals and session_ID. SQL ORADEBUG SYTOSPID SPID. SQL ORADEBUG Unlimit. SQL ORADEBUG Event 10,046 Trace Name Context Forever Level 12. SQL ORADEBUG Event 10046 Trace Name Context Forever Level 12. SQL ORADEBUG TRACEFILE_name, display the current trace file. SQL ORADEBUG Event 10046 Trace Name Context Off.